Welcome. My name is Alan Holbroch, President of National Pump Company. I'm privileged to announce our 50-year anniversary serving the agriculture, municipal, industrial, commercial, and petroleum markets. On behalf of everyone here at National Pump Company, I want to thank the thousands of satisfied distributors and engineering and contractor customers around the world that have helped work with us as our valued employees situated in our 7 manufacturing and service locations across the United States. You have all helped make our success possible.
We live in a world that requires reliability. When farmers need to water their crops, they expect to be able to turn on the pump that will draw that water from the well. They don't want to have to think about whether or not it's going to work. They don't want to have to worry about burning their crops. They don't want to have to think about flow or pressure. They just want to know it's going to work every time. It doesn't matter if you're moving water, oil, or gas. You just want it to work the way it's designed to work.
And we're here at the City of Scottsdale Booster Pump Station 42B, where we recently installed 6 national pumps. They've been in service for about a year now. They are designed to pump 6 pumps total of 13 million gallons per day. This is a very high head application, very critical application for the City of Scottsdale. This station is responsible for pushing water all the way up to Desert Mountain, which is approximately 10-15 miles up the road. Very high elevational change, so the pressures are exceeding about 260 psi. On this particular project, the City of Scottsdale is very pleased with the reliability of national pumps, the timely manner in which they were delivered, and also the performance. I believe we even exceeded the efficiency that was specified, and they're very pleased with how the pumps are operating to this point.
Finding a company that understands your needs can be difficult. We live in a world that seems to move at 1,000,000 miles an hour. And since time is money, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind. You deserve to work with a company that is willing to slow down and listen. Whether you serve the agricultural, municipal, industrial, commercial, and petroleum markets, you have specific needs, and it isn't possible for us to meet those needs if we don't listen.
For our operation, with the amount of irrigation we have, one of the top things is reliability. I mean, when we're pumping water for corn, I mean, we can't be down for very long at all. And so that's one of the big things, reliability, and then service, as far as keeping our pumps going and being able to keep the water going. We are very grateful for National Pump Company and the trust that we can have in their product. It makes our life much easier, much better if we can have something that we can depend on day after day and year after year to give us good service and a good product.
With over $20 million of pump components in inventory, National Pump provides a large variety of pump features, material, design, and testing options to meet your project requirements. From standard cast iron, ductile iron, bronze, and stainless steel components, to more exotic nickel aluminum bronze, 12% chrome steel, duplex and super duplex components. Our staff of application and design engineers are capable of completing the design and component selection to meet your project requirements. Here's how we ensure that you get exactly what you need. At the heart of every pump is the impeller. And with our state-of-the-art CNC machining centers, all of our impellers, bowls, and other key components are precision machined to exact tolerances to ensure a precise fit and performance. From there, the shaft must be cut to length, precision ground, and machined, threaded, and straightened within 5/10,000ths of an inch per foot to ensure minimal shaft deflection and vibration. Then our quality department checks all surfaces and registers to ensure proper component fits within design tolerances. Components are then assembled and performance tested in one of National Pump's 3 test facilities, with test capabilities up to 25,000 gallons per minute, 1,500 horsepower, and either 460 volt or 4160 volt to confirm customer performance requirements. Our test capabilities include flow, head, efficiency, mechanical run, NPSH, hydrostatic, and vibration. Upon customer test approval and inspection, pumps are sandblasted, painted with various coatings, and packaged for shipment per job procedures and requirements. Every mistake that is made in the design or manufacturing process means wasted time and money, and you shouldn't have to deal with that, especially when those mistakes are avoidable.
We are a breed to wean site. We use the effluent from the hogs and we apply that onto the land through our center pivots, and then we use the irrigation to raise the crops. We sell the hay and feed it into our own cow-calf operation. Yeah, we have 5 national pump brands on our facilities here. Every one is in an absolutely critical capacity that it works all the time and be efficient at the same time. So we are extremely proud to have the access to a reliable pump and service for the pumps, being that we have to have this working all the time, every time.
At National Pump Company, we know you're looking for a good, reliable product, and our attention to detail is the key to making sure that your project stays on time and on budget.